No coding, no fluff, done one click into 1K by using make.com. Here we are in the third part of the module 1. Okay, and in this part we will be building one live scenario which will performing one task. I will call it lead pump, that is getting data from the Excel sheet and pumping that data to the Slack sales team for the further action. Okay, let's move to the scenario window. Here we will be building our first scenario. I call it lead pump, and because we are getting data from, because I don't want to make it complex, this is the first scenario, so we will stay simple and perform, just make it successful and make it working. Triggers when a new row is added. Okay, here I already connected my drive here. This is the sheet 1 I will be using here. The sheet 1 is containing 3 columns. One is name of the lead, second is the email, third is the date, and this data can be coming from any source like any web form, any Google form, or any type of form. It is pumping data here. I just added manually for our requirement, and here I need to connect my drive here and give the path of the sheet. So I will be, here is the detonation AI. Okay, I need to give the path of the sheet, AI automation. The sheet name is make course, the sheet, and I will give the sheet 1 or sheet 2. Is it a sheet 1 or sheet 2? Sheet 1. Okay, I'm giving sheet 1 as my sheet name, and the table contains headers. Yes, it is containing the header rows with the headers A1 to Z1. I will taking all the values, and limit here I am putting 2 records each time, so I will reduce it 1 because I am just testing it. You can send it all the records as well, like 2 or 3 or 5. Anyways, this is not a problem. In advanced settings we have value render options as well. You can change the format and according to your requirements, and date and time rendering as well available. So I'm just saving it, and it is asking that where to start cursor, where to start reading the Excel sheet. I am saying that for now you have to read all the record first, and when I will looking for that record, send me all these records to the next module. I will save it, and here because we are sending data from the Excel sheet to the Slack, so I will add a module of Slack, and here basically what I wanna do, I want to send the data in the form of the message to the Slack team. So I will create a connection, and here I will try to add the connection. I already have connected it, but here if you want to say the like Slack user, here my Slack connection, I save it. It will route me to the authenticity. Make is requesting permission to access the detonation AI Slack workspace. Okay, I will allow it. First I need to read their requirement of the what will make be able to view, and I will need to review all the information. I'm gonna share that. After that I will allow, and I will make a connection with it. I already make a connection with it. If it allows me to, I cancel it, and I will click it again, and now I'm giving my previous connection here. It is asking that do you enter a channel ID or name? So I will select from the list I have. I already created a list of created a channel in the Slack for my lead selection. So I will open it here to slack.com. Don't want to authorization, slack.com. Slack, just go to the website. This is not okay, man. This is the launch Slack. This is my workspace. Is it launching the workspace or what? Use Slack in your browser. Okay, maybe it is thinking that I'm using app, but I want to use it in the Slack web browser. Okay, here you can see that I have different type of channels where I'm pumping the data. So this is the leads channel where I will be sending data from the Excel sheet. We are updating it. Okay, here you will just give the format of the data you want to send it. I will be sending data like first I will give the name of the lead, then I will give the email of the lead, then I will be giving like date of the lead, and then of course I will save it, and this is all set. Okay, and now you have two modules here. One is getting the data, and the other is sending the data to the Slack work platform. Okay, and if you review all this bar as well, here you can run each one separately. You can schedule it like every 15 minutes or every 24 hours. You can save it, and you can, as of I think so, input structures, and here are some settings, and you can add the notes as well. I think so you can right click here and add a note here. Means like this is fetching data from Excel sheet. Okay, and that's it. Okay, it's taking the note for, means this is the same like commenting in the programming. And here you can go to the previous version as well. If you have added, I mean you have added something wrong in it, you can go to the previous version. This alignment, this is a function of alignment. I click it will go to its original position. So this flow controls, there are some flow controls here, iterators and repeaters, as I discussed in previous videos. So here we will discuss it later. These are very important in the error handling, like debugging. If you want to break it, commit it, ignore it, resume it, roll back. And there are some tools as well, built-in tools that we'll be using in data transformers, aggregators, actions and triggers, as I explained in the previous video. This is the text parser. So these two modules we already used, that's why it is coming in the bar. So let's try to run separately first. Here I run this module only. I want to check that what kind of data it is coming from. So here we get 3 bundles. Each bundle is containing like 1 2 3 4 5 key and values. I mean each bundle containing 5 values. Key value, each value is just against 1 key. So 3 bundles. Yes, these are as per my sheet here. So okay, all information is coming. So the all okay, that's fine. We can set the filter here. The filter can be, if any information is coming, like my name is coming all the time, just skip my name and go to the next module. Here now I need to run this module as well, and here we see that enter a channel ID name list, this one, and I already added the list here, and here the name, email ID, and okay, let's see that what's happening. Okay, it is saying that it's false list. Okay, and if we go here, we see that it is coming wrong. We need to check it out, what's wrong in it. So this is the text, this is the channel name, and from the list, okay, all the information is right. Public channel is leads. Text is the detailed information about text formatting. See the Slack documentation. The text field is not enforced as required when using blocks. This is further information. First we need to fix it out. Okay, and here only one information is coming, so we need to check it out. Sheet 1, record limit 3. That's all right. Sorry, we need to check it out first. Here I'm sending name, email, and date, but why it is giving 1:1? Okay, I need to check the sheet. Here all looks fine. So let's run completely from point A to, I think so this is a problem here. We open a filter, and filter was just empty, and now we run it and see that it's coming 1, and now we choose where to start. We start with all, and then now save it. See that 3 records are going there. Which 3 records are there? Okay, these are 3 records. Maybe it's okay, really. Okay, now it's going fine. Okay, now we are sending 3 information, and let's see that what it goes there. Okay, great, man. We are getting all 3 leads as per our format with all the 3 information. Okay, that's fine. So this is very simple workflow, and you must focus on the information showing in front of your screen. In this video we try to build a very simple workflow. I would like to advise that if you want to save yourself from the unnecessary complexities in it, just focus on the information that is showing in front of you in the form of the in the form of the forms, and you can just save yourself for unnecessary complexity. If you switch right data in the right formats, you will be flowing from one point to another point without any problems, and this will help you to flow your workflows smoothly without problems. So in the next video, we will be building a scoring system. I will show you the screen here. We will be building high demand business automations, and this is one of the automation in which we will be building AI sales agent system. And of course, what it will do, it will automate lead scoring and instant response system that will help you to close as much as leads you can, because you have score of that lead and you can put your effort on it and you can close it as soon as you know the score. And this is all about using the AI will be guiding you, because this is the backbone of the business. If you have enough leads, your revenue can be predictable and you can survive in any business. See you into the next video.